The Starlink Pole Mount Kit is specifically designed to work seamlessly with the third generation of Starlink systems, ensuring maximum compatibility and performance. Its primary feature is the ability to position the satellite dish optimally, which enhances signal reception by minimizing obstructions, thus guaranteeing a stable and continuous internet connection. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary components such as an adapter and a ground anchor pole, making the installation process straightforward and accessible even for non-professionals. The versatility of the Starlink Pole Mount Kit is evident in its dual installation options, accommodating various surfaces like wood, concrete, and grass, providing flexibility to the user. The kit's pole is 10 feet long and can be adjusted in length with its thickness and diameter, contributing to its robustness and stability once installed. Manufactured by GADFISH, this mount is suitable for both home and outdoor use, proving its durability and adaptability to different environments.